Hello people, welcoming into this channel. So today we will talk about Google Documents in a mobile phone, and I'll let you guide you the way how you can get a perfect horizontal line for your documents with the Google Docs application. Open the application and then you just need to open the documents that you want to add the line space or the horizontal line on it. So basically the horizontal line is mostly used to be in the top side of the page, just to separate it between the how to get say like the informations about the company and the contact and so on and so on with the body of the documents here. So if you want to add the perfect horizontal line, you just need to place the cursors into the specific area that you want to add the horizontal line in, and right after that just need to go click this plus button and there will be like a horizontal line pop up here. Just go click it and you will get instant a perfect horizontal line right away on this side. So they will be separated between the upper side. You can like fill all of the information about the company, or you can also add the contact such as the email and phone number, and then you can also add the address on it. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this video a lot, and don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe to this channel, and let's meet again into other tutorial.